How to identify incident precursors in a manufacturing industry. In today's fast-paced industrial world, it's crucial to identify incident precursors to prevent accidents and promote workplace safety. By recognizing these warning signs, we can take proactive measures to avoid potential disasters. Let's explore 6 common examples of incident precursors. Example 1. Unsafe conditions. Exposed wires like this one pose a significant risk of electrical hazards. Identifying and rectifying such unsafe conditions can prevent potential accidents. Example 2. Unsafe practices. Failure to follow safety protocols, such as not wearing appropriate personal protective equipment like safety helmets, can lead to severe head injuries. Example 3. Poor housekeeping. Cluttered work areas increase the risk of slips, trips, and falls. Maintaining clean and organized spaces is essential for a safe working environment. Example 4. Inadequate personal protective equipment. Handling hazardous substances without proper PPE, such as gloves, puts workers at risk of chemical burns and exposure to toxins. Example 5. Equipment deficiencies. Missing or malfunctioning machine guards create a potential for accidental entanglement or amputation. Regular equipment inspections are crucial to identifying such deficiencies. Example 6. Lack of fall protection. Working at heights without proper fall protection, such as safety harnesses, greatly increases the risk of fatal falls. Ensuring the use of appropriate safety measures is vital. Remember, identifying incident precursors is the first step towards maintaining a safe and accident-free workplace. By recognizing unsafe conditions, unsafe practices, poor housekeeping, inadequate PPE, equipment deficiencies, and the lack of fall protection, we can protect ourselves and our colleagues from potential disasters. Stay vigilant. Prioritize safety.